So when I'm doing a bulk set, I just get my laundry basket and I round everything up. I will first take pictures of myself with everything, and then I will go one by one and do my videos back to back, and then upload them on my computer, and I name everything. So I typically will do it, I make sure I keep a consistent product name, and then what it is, and name everything the same, right? Like name all of the same, if it's the same video, same product, like give it the same name with a little bit of difference so I can tell from the file name what it is. And then I'm able to go through, and the ones that do not need editing, I put in a separate folder than the ones that do need editing. If it does need editing, it goes into its own folder, and I will deal with that later. And then the ones that are ready to get uploaded, that are a one shot, one take and done, that's what I try to do 95% of the time because it's way more efficient. Those will get uploaded. I have the file name, and then I will put those in a spreadsheet and then upload them to Amazon and tag them, look up the product, tag it. Then I will grab my Amazon link, put it in post tab, and I put it in a spreadsheet, and then I upload my videos onto YouTube. And then I actually, on YouTube, takes a little bit more time. I will put my affiliate link in the description, and then I actually schedule those. So I don't want them releasing all at one time. I will typically release 1 to 2 videos a day, depending on how many I have. And then schedule those out so that the YouTube takes a little bit more time. Amazon, I just dump them all in there at once and just pray that they all get approved and published. But this way I'm able to do 30, 50, I've done up to 100 videos in a day, and it just really helps keep it non-overwhelming and just helps it to be more doable and more productive because you're not wasting as much time. Now, if there are videos that I do need to edit, which I really, really, really try hard to not edit, then I will go back and get those edited as quickly as I can, and then get those uploaded so that they are ready to get uploaded. Because the faster I upload them, the sooner I upload them, the sooner I can be making commission on that product through the on-site videos. So there you go. Hope that helps. Best of luck in your endeavors through the Amazon Influencer Program, and wish you the best of luck.